This is Chuck Woolery. Prepare yourself for another minute of blunt force truth.
Brought to you by SmartMouth, 12-hour activated mouthwash.
Attention, crazy liberals. The following message is not for you, so please pull your vagina hats over your ears for the next 60 seconds. My conservative friends, I know it's frustrating when the left commits all kinds of crazy and oftentimes criminal behavior. Sometimes it's burning and looting to prove you don't like the outcome of an election. Other times it's celebrities proclaiming their secret desire to become a bomber, but there is a bright spot in all of this. If the election of President Trump proved anything, it was that middle America is sick and tired of liberal identity politics. The so-called flyover states have said enough, but we Americans get distracted and have short attention spans, so let the liberals keep up all their glorious lunacy right on the front page. That way, when the next election comes around, America won't have to think about what's right. I'm Chuck Woolery. Want more blunt force truth? Go to bluntforcetruth.com for complete episodes.